Hello, my name is ATP and welcome back to another episode of our Testing Indicator series. Today we are diving into a new and exclusive indicator called the Leman Trend. This indicator is unique because it combines three different trend analyses to give us a more precise view of price action. I will share this indicator with you, explore its features and test it across more than 2,000 trades to uncover its true efficiency. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any episodes, and let's get started. This time, unlike previous episodes, this indicator wasn't suggested by one of our subscribers. Instead, I stumbled upon it while browsing a blog called Stonehill Forex. The blog piqued my interest with its detailed description of the Leman Trend, and I knew we had to put it to the test. So we'll dive deep and see how well this indicator performs across different markets like crypto, Forex and the stock markets. Firstly, let's start by adding the indicator to our TradingView charts. First, click on Indicators, then type Leman Trend and you will find this option by this trader, but it isn't exactly the right one. And so I coded the right indicator myself, being this version here. This indicator is not published on TradingView, but you can also use it and without any costs. You just need to join my Discord community, the link is on the description, head over to the free materials channel and there you will find the code of my Leman Trend indicator. Open up the node, copy the code and then on TradingView click on the Pine editor, then on Open, select New Indicator, paste the code and save it. Finally, click on the Add to Chart option and that's it. Now you have my Leman Trend indicator on your charts. If you are enjoying this content and finding it helpful, don't forget to like this video. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you more free content. By definition, the Leman Trend is an indicator that uses a dynamic triple trend analysis system that gathers price data from three different periods and then smooths out the output using an exponential moving average. With my version, this indicator is displayed as a histogram and it's very intuitive to use, because the buy and sell signals are displayed on your chart and the background colors change according to the trend. By default, it uses these lookback settings 13, 21 and 34 as published on the blog. However, as you can see, it reacts too quickly to price changes, and this is something I usually don't like to see. And so, after some backtesting of its settings, I found out that by using 50, 60 and 100 we can clear some fake signals, but not all of them. As a result, I had two options. Either I could further optimize the indicator settings to filter out more false signals, or I could introduce a less volatile indicator as a filter to work alongside the Leman Trend and help eliminate these fake signals. Since further optimizing the settings could lead to overfitting, making the indicator too specific and less effective in other market conditions, I decided to go with the second option. After testing about 20 different filter indicators, I chose to pair with the Leman Trend Sniper by Zach, using its default settings to avoid over-optimization. By the way, I've made a detailed video before on the Leman Trend Sniper, so if you want to learn more about how it works, you can check it out right here. With this setup, a buy signal is only valid if the RMI line is blue and the sell signal is only valid if the RMI line is red, significantly reducing the number of false signals. But of course, to truly see if this indicator and combination are effective, we'll need to backtest it. To do this, we need three things. First, the technical system, second, the risk management rules, and third, the testing conditions. Regarding the technical system, I will also use a 200 period exponential moving average as usual to act as a baseline, to ensure we only take positions that are in the same direction as the overall market trend. Here we have an example of a long position where the price is above the 200 EMA, and here we have a short trade example where the price is below the baseline. For the risk management, I will use the same method as in all the other episodes by using the ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2. A volatility indicator that places the stop losses directly on your charts according to the market's volatility. And regarding the testing conditions, we'll backtest the indicator on the 30-minute, 1 hour and daily time frames using data from 2022 and 2023 across a diverse asset portfolio: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, 3 currency pairs, gold, oil, the S&P 500 index and the Apple stock. And in short, these are our conditions. Now we just need to backtest this system. While I could go back in time and test everything by hand, I prefer to speed up this process. For that, I will head back to the Indicators tab, search for ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot and add it to my charts. Over 150 traders are already using this tool with outstanding feedback. And you can join them too, with a selection of more than 80 indicators and new ones being added weekly. The ATP Premium Indicators Testing Bot offers a flexible and powerful platform to test endless combinations of indicators and strategies quickly and efficiently. For more details, check the indicators ranking link, which is in the first comment down below, and then click here. Once we have set all the conditions we discussed earlier, including the Leman Trend with the entry trigger function, the RMI Trend Sniper with the filter function, and the 200 period EMA for baseline and the right risk management rules, the trading bot will display every valid trade on the charts with the respective stop loss and exit point, and is quite precise, as you can see. Besides that, it also provides the monthly results here in this table and the overall statistics for each asset in the Strategy Tester tab. And since I have the premium TradingView plan, I can download all the trades the bot executes, which I will use to create the trading journals. I will speed up this part of the video, but you can slow it down in the YouTube settings. I'll see you in a minute. After inserting all the trades into my trading journal, I got an analysis of about 2,400 trades across the 3 different time frames. In the 30-minute one, after more than 1,100 trades, it achieved a win rate above 51% and a small net profit of 46%. Here you can check other metrics and also the results of every single asset, where we can detect that 2 of them got big drawdowns, the XRP and the AUD/NZD, being this something that is reflected in the equity chart, which, despite being profitable, is not consistent. Next, in the 1 hour time frame, after 1,172 trades, the indicator achieved again a win rate above 51% and a net profit of 52%. Again, here you can find other metrics and also the results from every asset. Looking at the equity chart, it was similar to the previous one. It was profitable but not very consistent. And finally, on the daily time frame, after 51 trades, the indicator achieved a win rate close to 61% and a net profit of 20%, making this result the best for this indicator. Overall, based on this comprehensive analysis across multiple time frames and assets, it is clear that the Leman Trend is an indicator probably more suitable for higher time frames, like the daily and the weekly ones. Of course, keep in mind that these results are based on the specific conditions and settings I used for this test. If you change the conditions, settings or even the assets, your results may change. So always test your strategies before putting them into practice. In this series, my objective is to simply test different indicators to discover which ones give us more probability of success. In our ranking sheet, after considering all the results and comparing them with other indicators, I believe the Leman Trend fair place is here. Tell me in the comments if you agree with this position or not. I remind you that you can access this document through the first comment down below. On this first page, you will find this table with the ranking of the indicators tested in this series, and on this other page, you will find the results of some of the strategies we have already tested on the channel. Also, if you have ideas for indicators to test in future videos, don't forget to share them in the comments or in my free Discord community. By the way, if you enjoyed seeing my working methods and would like to work one-on-one with me, to enhance your trading skills and become a better trader, you can see all my available services on my website, algotradepro.org. For trading and investments, I use XTB, which is not only the safest broker I know, but also offers me the most advantages, such as zero commissions up to 100,000 euros of monthly volumes. All links with more information are in the description. And that's it. Be well, thank you, and I will see you in the next episode.